This is my Project 14 Introduction to the Smartboard. First we're going to want to turn it on with that button here. Once it's on, you can push this tab right here. There's also one here. If you install it, let's see, open it up, and before you use your smartboard, you want to orient it. Just follow the marker as it moves. Touch it in the center of the red cross, and then let it load. Now it's calibrated, and your page should open. There's the page, and it shows you have one slide open. We want to begin by working with text. There's a keyboard here, or there's one here. I'm going to open the keyboard, tap on the board to make sure it's opened up, and you begin typing whatever you want to discuss at the time. So now I've got Project 14 on the board. You can change the font or the size or bold or center or whatever you want to do. I'm going to tap on it. I can make it larger. I can make it smaller. I can spin it around. I can move it wherever I want. You can also write with your pen. Let's see if I can get it to recognize. Nope, didn't recognize, so I'm going to delete it. It recognized that time. Now I can make it smaller. And to make the match, I'm going to go to Properties, Line Style. I'm going to change that color to black. Now, Project 14 again, 310. Also, if the kids get to doodling and they're all writing their names, and you got all kinds of stuff on the board, and they're drawing stuff all over, and you got this over here, whatever. It's easy to just draw your eraser in a circle and tap it, and it's erased. It's a little fast tip right there. Next we want to work with objects. We're going to push this object pad right there. Choose whatever object you want to use. And just draw it. And you can do whatever you want. You got your objects there. And say you want to work in your lesson. You can take an object such as this heart. Find the answer. Ask the class, what's 2 plus 2? Go back to your pointer. Now you can move it. Or, a more fun way to do it would be, go to your Properties, Object Animation, tell it to fly out when the object is clicked, and 2 plus 2 equals, and there you go. That's objects. And infinite cloner, you can take your object find Infinite Cloner. And now you can make as many as you'd like as long as you're touching the original. Now we want to clear that out. And to get rid of this one, we have to turn off the Infinite Cloner, and then we can delete it. To work with digital ink, I'm going to pull up our class blog that I've already opened, and you find whatever you want to talk about. We're talking about our C for K and what's important about it, and you want to draw attention to this or to this, whatever you want in your notes for the class. You're going to go up here, take a picture of it. That saves it. We're going to go back to our smartboard. And as you can see, here's our first slide. And now here's our second slide. And you'll see everything that you've highlighted, and you'll be able to remember what you wanted to discuss in class. Okay, we'll go back up to our first. To use multimedia, click on the picture frame. Click on the interactive and multimedia, and there's a variety of many fun things you can use. We're going to talk about the letter A today. You can enlarge it and ask the class, all right, what letter is this?
A.
And it'll tell you. You can ask them to tell you a word that begins with letter A. And let's say they give you the word apple. And you can take that word and get it to recognize. And now it spells it out for you. And you could also take that. You could hide it and ask them a word that begins with the letter A. And you can make it flip in, fade out, fade in, shrink and grow. We want it to fade out when it's clicked. So what's a word that begins with the letter A? And then you can tell them apple. And that's my Project 14, Introduction to a Smartboard.